Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Hi, I'm Vibhuti, and today we are doing my quarantine favorites. So guys, I decided to divide all my quarantine favorites into a few categories like books, movies, TV shows, and a lot more. So let's get started. So let's start off with the first category, that is books, and my most favorite is the Stranger Trilogy. It has three parts, which is by an Indian author Navani Chakraborty, and I've actually read this trilogy at least twice, and my sister also loves this. So the next book I really recommend you guys to read is again by the same author, which is Forever series. So the first book is The Forever is a Lie, and the second is Forever is True. I actually really love this series also, but I guess the Stranger one is somewhat better than it. So the third book is Turtles All the Way. So the third book I really recommend you guys to read is this Turtles All the Way Down by John Green, and I'm still reading it. I've reached halfway, and the girl who's the main lead has OCD, and how she actually deals with it, and her best friend Daisy is it's pretty interesting. I really recommend you guys to read this. So the next book is this by Mark Manson, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, and it has two parts. I have just read this part. I still have to read the second one, and it's a really good book. It's somewhat related to mental health, I guess. Not really, but it helps to increase your esteem, your self-esteem, and it's a book about hope, and that you should always feel good about yourself and appreciate yourself in whatever you do. So the next category is movies, TV shows. Okay, so the first one I have watched is on Netflix, Atypical. So in this, the lead role, the guy Sam, has autism spectrum, and how he finally decides that he's ready for falling in love and for romance. So the next one is a series which is available on YouTube, and that is Stage Fright, and one of the members in that series is Sophie Michelle, which is a YouTuber and a singer. I
Who
really
is a
love.
YouTuber?
So the next one is a series which is available on YouTube, and it is The Stage Fright. It's one of the members in the series is a YouTuber and a singer, Sophie Michelle. I guess a lot of you must be knowing her. And I really like that series. It's a pretty short one with just 5 episodes, but it's interesting, and I did watch it in quarantine. So guys, the next category is clothing, and I guess all of you must have already guessed that what our own favorite clothing in quarantine is: sweatshirts, biker shorts, and sweatpants. It's quarantine has all been about comfort and being lazy, but I don't really think that I've been that lazy. Initially, I guess I was, but then I did do a lot of stuff in quarantine. I did have my exams, and I did work out, I did some art, but yeah, still, it's just sweatshirts, and hoodies. Oh my god, yeah. So the next category is my favorite beauty essentials, and the first one has to be this concealer, which is the Pro Conceal. I just use concealer when I have to film a YouTube video or for my Instagram pictures. The next thing is this lip gloss. This is from Kryolan or Kryolan. I don't know how you guys pronounce it, but this just provides. I'm not really a fan of lip glosses that much, but I really like this one. The third is this Love Nature lip balm, and the cherry one, it has a great fragrance. It moisturizes the lips quite well and also has the right color. So the next category is art. Earlier I was like confused if I should include this category in this video or no, but I've actually spent like the majority of my time in quarantine doing art, and I guess it's a really good way to pass your time, and it's very much productive. So last but not the least is the creators category, and firstly is it's Yuyan, secondly is Karina Wong, and third is Best Dress. So the main, like the most common thing between all these three is that they show, like a Shein try on haul or how to style basics. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much if you watched it till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and comment down below how you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.